Maybe you've had this thought. Spotify's shuffle feature doesn't seem to really shuffle. I feel like I always hear these songs and I never hear these songs. What's going on here? Spotify, are you really shuffling? Well, if you've had that thought, or a similar one, you're in luck, because today I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify Shuffle using an open source command line tool called Spicetify. Fair warning, this only works for computers, it doesn't work for phones. Sorry, it's the way it be. Alright, let's get into installing Spicetify. The first thing you're going to want to do is search Spicetify on Google or your favorite search engine. Click the link to GitHub, scroll down to the bottom, click installation. Then you're going to want to copy these first two commands. And then you're going to open PowerShell and make sure you run it as admin. Let me drag it over here. Okay, then you're going to want to paste it and click enter. And now it's going to install. Okay, now the initial installation is done. There's one more step. You're going to want to run the command Spicetify config extensions shuffle plus .js. And then run the command Spicetify apply. And now installation is complete, so go ahead and open up Spotify, right click a playlist, and click play with Shuffle Plus. Shuffle Plus uses the Fisher-Yates shuffle. It's an algorithm for generating random permutations of a finite sequence. And in my opinion, it's much better than the default Spotify shuffle. And now for some quick tips from things that I've learned while using Spicetify. Sometimes Spotify updates and breaks the Spicetify installations. What you're going to want to do is create a new text document, clear everything out of here. The name doesn't really matter. I'm going to name it FixSpicetify.bat. The .bat does matter. Click yes to that warning. So right click and edit and enter two commands, Spicetify upgrade and Spicetify restore, backup, apply. Then save that. And now what this is going to allow you to do is when Spicetify does break, when you right click and don't see that Shuffle Plus option, you can double click that file. It will run those two commands and it will resolve it. The last tip is that sometimes when you click play with Shuffle Plus, you'll get an error if you play a song in the playlist and then click play with Shuffle Plus again. That usually resolves it. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it, and I hope it helped. If you liked the video, if it did help you, do me a huge favor, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you hated it, hit the dislike button. All feedback's welcome. And if you got something else to say, leave a comment, let me know. Thanks again for watching, I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.